This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the camera on your MSI laptop or just your laptop in general. Now most of the time you're going to have an F key that you're going to have to press, then also one of these buttons on the top. So you can see the camera icon on F6 for me. So look for a camera icon somewhere on your F keys and then hold down the F button. So I got the FN button right here, and then let's go to the F key. And this is going to turn off my camera. Now to turn it on, I have to hold this down and then press the key right here. And there's going to be a little light on right here, so you can see that light. Now I have just the camera application opened up. So if we go on over to camera right here and type it in, just open up the camera app, and I'm going to switch to my front camera. Switch again, it looks like something else is on there. But here it is, my camera is working now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.